What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today we're working on this 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. What do you guys like more? Are you guys into the stock lights, or are you into these blacked out LED lights? I feel like LEDs are just safer on the road. What is charcoal, and with the black LEDs, it just looks so much better. And it stands out now from all the other Tacomas on the road. Let's install these lights. Pretty simple. We need a 10mm, and I really like how Toyota did this. I mean, Toyota is known to being overbuilt, and they're using 10mm right here, so they're easy to remove, come out super nice. And then after that, it has two clips. The one on the top is a little bit easier, so I use that, pull it out, and then the bottom one is just a little bit thicker. You need a little bit more force. Connectors in the back, just tabs right in the center, push them in, pull it out. Now this is the box that they came in, and really nice insulated box. The LED wires are perfect, they fit perfectly. So let's see what this looks like, and what do you guys think? Oh my god, love. Let's compare it. This is our stock. You see the bulbs, and this is a brand new. I mean, the black is sleek and sexy, like I said. And there's my son, he loves it. Oh! He loves the black LEDs. One thing we do need from the old ones is this plastic trim. Just remove it with our trim tool, install it. Easy, now we're good to go. And like I said, the wires fit perfectly. You cannot mix them up. Easy peasy. You do get a little bit more wire. All I do is tuck it in. It's not a big deal, not a problem. Fit that bottom one in, and then we're gonna fit the top one. Boom, just like that. We're gonna put our 10mm in. Yeah, and there is a couple 10mm, but there's only two that hold it. Just look at your old one and you'll figure out which ones you need to remove. Tighten them down just snugly. Snugly, I don't know if that's a word. And dude, those look so nice. Oh my god. Guys, if you get these, you will enjoy them. You will love them. There's a link in the description below. Check them out. And enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.